In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clean up your hard drive and regain some of the storage back, especially if you're running low on space. And it's a couple of real simple, easy methods how you can gain some of the storage back by cleaning up a couple of directories that are easy to get to. So the first place that we're going to be going to is open up this Windows Explorer and type in %temp%. Now, when this folder opens up, everything in this folder is absolutely safe to delete. So what we're going to do here is we're clicking Control A to select everything in a list and then delete. So let it scan through everything that you just selected, and then it's going to ask you, would you like to permanently delete all the files and folders in this directory? And we're simply just saying yes. And whatever it cannot delete, we are checking this checkbox and clicking skip and skip again. Generally, whatever is left over that can't be deleted is probably being used by an active process running on the operating system. So you're not going to be able to delete it anyway, so leave it alone, let it be. Now, the next place that we're going to be going to is another temp folder in a different part of the hard drive. So right click on the start menu, click on run. Now here, just type in temp. Now when this folder opens up, we are basically going to be doing the same thing. So we're clicking a folder, any folder, we're pressing Control A to select everything in this directory, and then we're clicking delete, and then here we're saying yes. And we want to let it delete everything in that folder as well. Now this might take some time to complete because there might be a lot of files in those directories, but if we go back and look at the storage now on the hard drive, it looks like we're making progress. We're getting some space back, which is great news. So those deletions completed. Now what we're going to be doing is right clicking on the start menu and click on system. So on the left in this section, there's a little area called storage, and it's going to show you a couple of other places that have things that are taking up space. So let's click on temporary files and let's select everything that we can, even though it doesn't look like it's taking up much. It's a couple of extra megabytes of space. I'm going to be selecting this downloads folder because whatever I have in it, I don't need. But keep in mind that if you do select this folder and then you click remove files, this folder will be gone and you're going to lose everything that's in it. I'm okay with it, so I'm clicking remove files, and we're going to let this continue to run, and this might take a couple of minutes to finish up, but generally this is going to give us more space after this is finished, and then we'll continue on after. So now that the utility finished running, we got some space back, and let's see, it looks like we are in good shape. We got a lot of storage back. So if you followed along this far in the video and you regained some space back in your hard drive, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate the feedback. Thank you for watching the video. If you could, leave a like. I really appreciate that too, and I'll see you in the next one.